EPA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for the weekend, October 24th and 25th, 2020. For your Saturday, we're expecting mostly cloudy skies to start with areas of fog, and then we'll have a cold front move through this afternoon that's going to lower temperatures, and it's going to sweep out all these clouds that have been in place over the past couple of days. But don't get used to it, because I think much of the week ahead is going to be dominated by clouds as well. But we're going to have at least a little bit of a reprieve after this front comes through today. So we do have improving conditions this afternoon as this comes through, and there will be a stray shower chance with it, just a stray shower. As we get over the NAM high-res future simulator radar, and I'm going to back this up to 4 a.m. just so you can see where the showers were with this, because as it moves eastward, there's really not much left. Just a stray shower in a few spots going into about mid to late morning, and then after that point, we have clouds giving way to sun in the afternoon, and this front moves through, and we are much cooler on the other side of this on Sunday. So today we're going to be generally upper 60s to near 70 or thereabout. Some areas in the interior won't get out of the lower 60s. When I say interior, I'm talking about up here by State College, Williamsport, and Wilkes-Barre, Scranton. Those areas could maybe just get to 60 degrees today, and that's it. But further south and east, on the opposite side of that front, where you have the opportunity to warm up a little bit, you'll have temperatures getting in the upper 60s near 70 for one more day before it gets through here on Sunday. Now, Sunday, we're going to turn colder overnight tonight, colder than we have been recently. And, most areas will get down into the 30s, but some areas far southeast will remain in the 40s. And then we get into Sunday, we'll have everywhere across the entire region will be in the 50s for highs and lower 50s in the far northern and western areas. So it's going to be a big difference in temperatures from Saturday to Sunday, but we're not expecting any precipitation during that time frame other than a stray shower just today. As we get later in the day on Sunday, there could be, as the NAM is indicating here, there could be some showers starting to work into the region later in the afternoon or evening. So we do have a stray shower chance in the forecast for later later on Sunday. But most of our activity comes in overnight with a warm front moving northward through the region, and then I'll go right into Monday morning. So this is going to push in from the south and then head northward over our region here as we head into Monday morning. So some showers with that warm front moving through initially here on Monday. And then once we get later in the day, we just remain mostly cloudy. Same thing overnight. Then quickly on its heels, we have another cold front coming through, and this is going to be the more powerful one. The one that is going to allow temperatures to go to, once it's passed anyway, to get to at least slightly below average temperatures through at least the 5th of November. So it's going to have about a week of staying power once this trough finally gets in here. And this is going to bring some showers to the region here on Tuesday, some more showers Tuesday night with another wave coming through. And then Wednesday we think clouds are going to give way to at least partial sunshine. Now we have to watch for the remnants of a tropical system or a tropical entity in the Caribbean that could develop into Zeta. So we'll see what that does, but the moisture associated with that is going to come across the southern and southeastern United States. The question is, how far north does this get? And does that plume of moisture come into our region on Thursday and or Friday? So far, European model is for the furthest north of this, and it brings it to our southern areas at least some shower activity in both waves, and you can see that here. And then once we get into Friday, it has a second wave come through here with a lot more rain than just showers across southern New Jersey and Delaware. Take a look at the GFS, though. Different story. Starting us off on Wednesday, moving this forward. It has all this activity in the southeastern United States, but it keeps there. It only has one consolidated wave, and that stays well to the south. And we are under the influence of high pressure. The difference between the GFS and the European model is the strength of this trough that's coming in here. And if this trough is as advertised like the GFS has it, we're going to have not only cooler temperatures than the European model suggesting, but it also will act to keep this system off to our south. We don't know which one is correct just yet. I'm leaning GFS and keeping everything south, and it's going to depend on the strength of that trough that's going to be settling into the northeastern United States, and that would be at the end of the week. So stronger the trough, cooler the temperatures, and we keep this further south, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Right now in our local forecast, we just have mentions of watching a storm in our forecast because we really don't know exactly the evolution of this just yet. So make sure you follow along next week when we do the next video on Monday morning. I'll have provided the updates for then and throughout the week next week leading up to it, if in fact we will have some impacts from it. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is the outlook for the weekend, October 24th and 25th, 2020. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.